Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a wholesale Shopify store for bulk buyers step by step. Whether you're expanding your business or starting fresh, this guide will help you build a scalable and professional wholesale store. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up Shopify. First, open Shopify app and create an account. Choose a plan that fits your business needs. Shopify offers various pricing options, so pick the one that aligns with your budget and sales goals. Step 2. Choose a wholesale theme. Select a Shopify theme designed for wholesale or bulk buying. Shopify's theme store has several options, or you can use a custom theme to tailor the design to your business. A professional, easy-to-navigate layout is essential for bulk buyers. Step 3. Install wholesale apps. To enable wholesale pricing, install apps like Wholesale Club, Bold Custom Pricing, or Wholesale Gorilla. These apps allow you to create different pricing tiers for bulk buyers, offering exclusive discounts based on order quantity. Step 4. Set minimum order quantities, MOQ. To ensure wholesale buyers meet your purchasing requirements, establish minimum order quantities, MOQ. Use Shopify's
Step
settings or
6.
apps like Wholesale Helper to enforce bulk order restrictions. Step 5. Set up payment and shipping. Enable payment gateways that support large transactions, such as Shopify Payments, PayPal, or manual invoicing. Configure shipping rates and delivery options based on order volume, ensuring smooth fulfillment for bulk buyers. Step 7. Promote your wholesale store. Once your store is ready, market it strategically. Use email campaigns, social media promotions, and direct outreach to attract wholesale buyers. Consider setting up a private login or exclusive access for approved wholesale customers. And that's it. Now you know how to create a wholesale Shopify store for bulk buyers step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.